All-in-one solar street light is good.
But it would be best if you choose the split type.
It is flexible and cheaper.
But the split solar light can be easy DIY.
All-in-one solar street light.
So, what's the actual difference between all-in-one and split solar streetlight? Right behind me, you can see there are two types of solar streetlight. This is an all-in-one solar streetlight, also known as an integrated solar streetlight. This is a separate solar streetlight called all-in-two or split solar streetlight. All-in-one is a single unit with a simple design, while split-type solar lights require connecting separate components. So, if you go with the all-in-one type, installation becomes easier and you can even save on installation costs. Now, let's talk about the advantages of split solar streetlight. As well known, the larger the area of a solar panel, the higher the photoelectric conversion efficiency, and the capacity of the battery is proportional to the volume. If you have a special lighting requirement, split solar lights can be easily designed according to lighting requirements. It has separate components. The configuration of each unit is more flexible. One more thing, a split solar light system can be more flexible to adjust the installed angles. If the solar panel does not receive enough sunlight, the light's operation time will be shortened. Usually, we can adjust the solar panel in the best direction and angle to improve sunlight absorption. Now, depending on your location, the solar panel must face a specific direction. In the northern hemisphere, it should face south, while in the south hemisphere, it should face north. And remember, the higher latitude, the greater the tilt angle of the solar panel. However, with all-in-one solar streetlight, it is impossible to adjust the direction of the solar panel in particular areas like highways, roads, and pathways, so keep that in mind when making your decision. Overall, the all-in-one system offers simplicity and cost savings in installation. At the same time, the split solar streetlights provide greater flexibility in design and adjustable installation angles for optimal sunlight absorption. At AGC, we understand the importance of finding the right solution for your project needs. That's why we offer a wide range of high-quality solar lights and customized schemes tailored to your requirements and the local condition. Don't hesitate to contact us and let us assist you in making the best choice for your solar lighting projects.